Hello, Karen from Persical of Reflexology. I just want to talk about our course that you're going to progress in. So the best way to do it is we've set it out in easily readable PDFs which you can download, and then a presentation which shows you slides and just re-emphasises the information. So if you can read through the PDFs first of all and then watch the presentations, that will really give you an insight into the theory. So the first module, Module 1 to Module 5, are basically theory and just a lot of information that you can take in. Then Module 6 and 7 are all practical components. There's some information in Module 6 about the techniques, and then there's the 10 relaxers. Module 7 is some more information, including thumb walking and sliding. And this area will talk about the neck, shoulders, spine, knee, elbow, and the hip area. So it's all areas of the skeletal system where you may find some issue on yourself or your family. So work through the topics, and then Module 8, we've put it all together so that you can actually prepare your client to give a really relaxing treatment. Thank you.